Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to download and watch replays in CS2. Okay, first things first, access your match history. In the top left corner, locate and click on the TB icon. Next step is to second, select match. From your match history, just choose the specific match you want to download. Third is to click download. In the bottom right corner, just find the download button and click on it. Fourth step is wait for it to download. Allow the game some time to download the replay and just wait for it to be saved. Lastly is to watch the replay. Once downloaded, a watch button will then replace the download button. Just click on it to start watching the replay of the game that you want to watch. Additional option or optional method is to watch it by highlighting players or player highlights. You have the option to select any player from the match. Just click on the player icon to view their highlights and lowlights. And as simple as it is, you can now go back and watch replays of your games or other people games in CS2. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. So, we can help you. And that's it. You can now download and watch replays in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.